Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. I had said I would give you a closer look at these stickers that came in this really cute set of 4 kind of washi type stickers. So I thought I would do that now. Put these on a white backing so you can see some of the cute images here quite clearly. That's what they look like there. There appear to be duplicates in each pattern, so that's really cute. And I'm surprised actually by the variety of colors. These are definitely my kind of colors. I love these pinks and soft pastels. I was expecting most of these to be kind of a peach sort of color, like on the outside of the package. Cute, really cute little images. Oh, jelly beans. So that's a fun look at all of the contents of this pack. If you were thinking about getting them, it's nice to see what the set looks like. There you go there. So that's all of the ones in this package. Really quite a nice variety. It goes there. And then we can move into the blue package. Again, we'll put some on. Can't tell whether they're upside right or upside down with some of these stickers. Still can't. Oh yeah, that was right. Have to look closely to be able to see. There's a cute variety there. Oh, that's funny. Very nice. Well, that's cute. Yeah, these are really pretty. Hearts, I like these a lot. Let's turn this one around. Oh, so cute. Soap. Drinks. So if you watched my previous unboxing, you would have seen all the things that I ordered in from BeeBeeCraft, and this is just one of the sets of items that I ordered. It's cute. I will leave links down below if you're interested in any of the products, and I'll also put a link at the end of the video with the complete unboxing for everything that I got. The BeeBeeCraft reached out to me to see if I was interested in doing another collaboration with them, and I always have such a hard time picking from their site. And there's so many fun types of products to work with that it's always hard to choose, because I love so many different jewelry finding items, and I got a real mix in my last order from them. And I have a link for 10% off your order if you are interested in purchasing any of the items that you see in any of these videos. What I'm going to do today, the reason why I have my planner out, is because I'm going to show you how I plan to use these stickers, and actually something that I've found when already using them as a little trick to get into them. Really quite cute. Love the softness of these colors. See, that's already those ones there. Okay, so I make a very simple layout, if you can even call it that, in my planner. And it's a weekly spread. I always highlight the feature color along here, but you can see it bleeds through. So I'm going to come in, I'll practice with what color I should use. Pick up something that kind of matches that green. That's closer. And just basically go in and highlight. I just highlight some of the blank spaces here to bring in some color. I've only ever used pink for the most part, but I wanted to have these green and yellow colors as my sort of combination for this week. So I picked out some coordinating green and yellow stickers. And so we've got the first day of school here. And you can just start to see how they will accent what we're doing. So just giving it a cute little bit of decoration so that it adds a little bit of color to my, I don't like how crooked that is. And it seems to be accented or highlighted by the fact that I'm putting this sticker down. I should have taken more care. It's just being quick for the video. That's fine. Okay, so the trick to these stickers is to peel from the front instead of the back. I was trying to peel the back of them for a long time, and then I realized that you had to peel them from the front. And it was funny because I almost started to question whether or not they were stickers because they were so tricky to peel. But as long as you go from the front, you can get a good grip on them. So put those two together like that. So it's created a cute little scene for drinking. This one here. So this is a washi tape sticker as well that came in a booklet of stickers that I got off of Temu. And I bought a whole set of them, and they weren't cheap, that's for sure. They were $20 for the pack, but I'll get a lot of use out of them. So I'm glad that I got them, and they are really nice. But the good thing that I like about these stickers as well is that you can reposition them. They are very easy to pull up and put down again. So that's the simple planner layout that I've been doing lately. And then I go in sometimes before and sometimes after, and I fill out all of the information. I do it more like a memory keeping than I do planning, so that I can look back on what we did that week. But I also do use it as a planner for a way of keeping track of what's going on. And then this will be the last one here. There we go. Yeah, so I'll go through and I'll fill out all the information. I can show you the last one I did. This is today, so I haven't filled that out yet, but this is an example of how the layout looked last time. We went to Winnipeg and they had a sheep farm. We went to a tour of that, and there were these, this looks to me like a llama or a camel, and we went to the zoo and there was a camel there as well. So either way, this was an appropriate sticker. And we went to the Hungry Pug, so it's cute. We've got this little pug in there. There's those pink stickers again. We went to a conservatory called The Leaf, and so that was a quick little spread, just decorating the pages. So that's what I'll do here as well. I'll just write in with a black pen what I'm doing, but I just wanted to give you a little example of how I planned to use all of the products that I recently received from BeeBeeCraft. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.